Alright, so my boyfriend, aka Frank the Tank, wanted me to do an unboxing of the Fabfitfun box that I just got. Because I get these every year and I get super excited every time. So, let's see what's inside. Got the magazine, which I don't like to open until the end because then I see what I get. Got the HelloFresh gift card, which Frank will be using shortly to get us some free meals. And then a Share the Fun, if for any of my friends that want to get a Fabfitfun box, they get $10 off. And then this note. Basically saying there might have been a mistake. So, or let's see. There's one customization item in the magazine that was not available. So, they've decided to exclude a portion of the coaster from the box. Instead, members are being treated to a surprise item that has a higher retail value of $25. I wonder what that is. Let's see. Ooh. So of course, I gotta pull out the blanket first, because it's my favorite, or I'm assuming it's a blanket. But it's soft, and I love soft things, so this is nice. I will definitely be using this today, because it is freezing in my apartment right now. Ooh. Native Premium Rock. Oh, hair care. So, of all the beauty products, hair care is my favorite. Look at this. The treatment mask for dry, damaged hair. Oh, it smells good. So, Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Mask. Let's see, we also have a pure Be Yourself Selfie eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Ooh, lots of neutral colors. Those are the colors I tend to wear a lot, so this will be fun. Ooh, look at they're sparkly. Let's see if they're sparkly. That's too difficult to open. I'll look at them later.
Nice though.
Let's see. Ring light highlighting stick. Huh. I don't even know what a highlighting stick is. Shine bright. Yeah, let's see. That's pretty. Well, I don't know what a highlighting stick is, but I will find out. Let's see what else I got. Oh, the Ahava. I got an Ahava hand cream in one of the other boxes, and I really liked it. So this is a cream mask. Let's see. Oh, can't open this one either. But this is apply once or twice a week. Leave all night. Ooh. I'm sure this will be nice. I'm excited for that one. Lily Sado. A circle necklace. Perfect introduction piece for every woman. Explore all of Lily Sado's geometric, feminine, and colorful designs. This one I have to open. Of course, you can't see it inside. Let's see. Ooh. That's pretty. Very simple.
I bet.
Silver.
Zooming in. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Maybe I'll wear it this weekend.
Oh, it's the Christmas party.
The Christmas party that I have coming.
Which I will be vlogging that as well.
That'll be fun.
There you go.
Then, let's see what else we've got in here. Ooh, essential oils. Eucalyptus and sweet orange. Oh. Yes. Energy energizing sweet orange and revitalizing eucalyptus. I love essential oils. I ran out of my lavender and I'm running low on my peppermint. It smells so good. Eucalyptus. This is a good box. I like this box.
Yeah? Good?
There's a lot of good things in it. And then there's more.
Wow, it's still going? Wow.
It's still going. The black eye mask, hydraulic acid mask. I don't know what this is either. It says late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights. You can have our peepers looking well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to deep puff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. I never used an eye mask before, so this will be fun.
There we go.
If there's any extras, Frank can join me.
I will definitely join her.
And I think this is the last but not least. Microderm Abrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. Ooh. So an exfoliator for the skin. I think it's one of those, is it a cream? Yeah, cream exfoliator. Ooh, that was fancy. Renew skin radiance and polishes and smooths. Help diminish the look of fine lines.
I gotta hold it up. I want to see it.
Oh, sorry. See?
Oh, nice. It's shiny.
It is shiny. Ah, it's closed, so I can't open it yet.
Of course not.
So that's what was in the box. I mean, unless you want to see this cardboard piece, but that's fine. There's nothing.
That's it?
Nothing in it.
Nothing else? Alright, for sure.
Dude, I like this box. This box has a lot
It's a good, what is this, the winter box?
This is the winter box. The Fabfitfun winter box.
Alright, Fabfitfun winter box.
Find your cozy.
Find your cozy.